Pinoy. And right now we're here in Holland Street, Cebu. And I'm gonna give you a little history about why this street is named as Holland. So this busy street is designed as a Spanish settlement here in Cebu, the Villa de San Miguel. And Holland was named after Cristobal Colon, Spanish translation for Christopher Columbus, the Italian explorer who discovered the New World. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the street foods here in Holland. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Guava. How much is this, Ate?
25.
This is for 25 pesos. And this one is a turnip. How much is this, Ate?
20.
This is 20, and you're gonna mix this with we call it kipon. Yeah, you are gonna put kipon on this turnips, and it's so delicious. How much is the manga, Ate?
20 Indian mango, very sweet.
Yeah, this is an Indian mango. This is 20 pesos.
Apple mango, Indian mango.
Oh, apple mango and Indian mango. So they sell two types of mangoes here. The apple mango and the Indian mango. Ooh, we have a free taste of guava. This is so young. This is really good as in. We were gonna interview Ate if how many years does she sell this kind of foods here in?
Malinda na ko katuig, malindag frutas.
She said 40 years she's been selling this kind of foods here in Holland. Her name is Gaga Labra. So she's been selling for how many years?
40.
40 years here in this place. UC in front of University of Cebu. Oh, her name is Evangeline Labra.
Okay.
Evangeline Labra. So hi to my vlog, Ate Evangeline Labra. So you'll be featured in Daily Pinoy.
Ah, ganun.
Thank you so much for the free. Hi guys, we're here in front of the metro, the center of Cebu. The center of Cebu. So we're here in the eggs, as you can see. This is the balot. I will be interviewing you today. So what is your name? Ano po? Marisa Tamondo is her name. And she's selling balot and Pinoy. How many years are you selling this kind of business? Or the balot? How many years are you selling already? Are you still new? She's still new, so yeah. So this is the Pinoy without the number, and this one is the balot. So the one with no chicken is number 16. Number 16 natin, no?
16, 17.
16 and 17 with no chicken inside. You're gonna put vinegar. This is what it looks like. little duck in here, but I'm not going to eat that. So there's no duck anymore, so I'm gonna eat this one. This is so yummy. They have like a rug to wipe your dirty hands. They have a fabric conditioner to wash your hands. So selling melon and coconut milk. That is for 15 pesos. They also have 10 pesos. So yeah. We're here near the Santo Niño, or near the Magellan's Cross, and we are going to try this street food, which is saang. This is a conch shells, and this is known as a spider shells or a scorpion conch. So the scientific name for this one is a lapis scorpius. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it's raining right now, so yeah. And you're gonna like it tastes good if you're gonna like soak it with vinegar with a lot of onion and chilies. So how much is this, Kuya? This is for 5 pesos. This steak is 5 pesos. So you're just gonna eat like this, and then. I'm so thirsty na. Hello, Kuya.
Hello.
How many years are you selling this water?
10 years.
Oh, he's selling for 10 years already. So how much is this, Kuya?
30 pesos.
Buko?
Yes.
Buko with
Coconut with mango.
coconut with mango is for 30 pesos. And this one,
Lemon juice, 25 pesos.
lemon juice is for 25 pesos.
20
Water.
pesos water.
Water is for 20 pesos. At nanalo ka na. Oh. So we're gonna buy this coconut with mango. How much is this? Yeah, again? 30 pesos. Okay, thank you so much. Kasi I'm so thirsty already. So yeah, thank you so much, Kuya, and for the interview here in Holland. Yes, hi to Daily Vlog. I think Daily Pinoy.
Hi, Dili Pinoy.
Yeah. Say hi, Daily Pinoy.
Dili Pinoy.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Thank you so much.
Daily Pinoy.
Oh, Daily Pinoy. Cheers. By the way, what is your name, Kuya?
Ramel Bilocor.
Romel Vilocor.
Ramel.
Ramel. Okay, what is the spelling of your last name?
R-E-M-I-L and B-E-L-O-C-O. R-E.
Bilocora. Bilocora.
Vilocor.
At TikTok.
Oh, he have TikTok, guys. Follow TikTok. Oh, di ba? TikTokeries. TikTokeries ni po si Kuya. Hi guys, we're here today near the Magellan's Cross, and we are going to try their tempura and quail egg. Quail egg, which is we call Kwek, which is the fastest quail egg here in Philippines. So yeah, it's here. So they are selling tempura and quail egg. So tempura is 3 tempuras for 20 pesos, and also quail egg is 3 for 20 pesos. And they have a spicy sauce and a sweet sauce, and this is like free free cucumber and guso, which is a seaweed in English. So yeah. This is the owner of the tempura. And what is your name, ate? Erlene. Her name is Erlene. And how many years are you like selling this street food? 12 years. Oh my god, this is super long. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people that is buying here with ate Erlene. So yeah, thank you so much, ate, for letting me vlog your street food or your business. We have Kuya also at the back. He is also selling
Peanuts?
How much is your peanut, Kuya? 10 pesos. And how many years are you selling this peanut? 20 years. Oh, you're selling for 20 years already. Oh. So it's already 6 p.m. and I'm so full already trying out all of the street foods here in Holland or in the downtown of Cebu. So I'm actually here in Magellan's Cross right now, and I'm gonna attend a mass. And I think this is all for today's video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Bye!